gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, a very good morning. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you here in your second home, and it's a great pleasure to have you with us today in Turkish. Mayası bozuk, rotum in liberation. In other words, we call them abbreviation FETÖ. So to overthrow our democratically elected government and was the culmination of years of plotting against Turkish state. FETÖ, which is not only a terrorist organization, but also being revealed through confessions and revitalization from within the organization, that the decisive and decisive action by our government to dismantle FETÖ's network. Thousands of arrests were made to restore confidence in our institutions and ensure that such threat would never again endanger our nation.
To the main hall for refreshments.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।